Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to create KDP cover on Canva. So for us to get this done, I want you to go over to google.com, and here we're just going to go ahead and look for KDP book cover, just like so. And you're going to use Amazon one, so make sure that you are going to click this one right here. I'm going to click it. And then from here, we're going to go ahead and create one of our own. So we're going to try this one here, cover calculator and template generator. So if we are here, we're just going to go ahead and enter the book information. So for example, the binding type, go ahead and click it. I'm going to try to use paperback, for example, or if you want to use hardcover, you can definitely do that one. Same thing with everything in here. So I'm just going to fill this one real quick. Alright, after filling in all the information, I'm just going to go ahead and click calculate dimensions, and then you should be able to see this one. So if you are okay with it, go ahead and click download template just like so, and then go ahead and save it wherever you need. Alright, there you go. So now we have this one right here. So you have one in PDF format, and then you have one in a picture format. So from here, we're going to go to Canva, and we're just going to go ahead and try to use this exact same thing here, this exact same measurement. So we have the full cover. Make sure that you are using that. I'm going to hit create a design here in Canva, and then click custom size. Now I'm going to go ahead and copy this one here, width, and then make sure that this one is set to inches as well. I'm going to paste it. The same thing for the height. Make sure that again that you are going to copy this one, and then I'm going to hit create new design. All right, so we are here now. Now, basically what I'm going to do is just put that same image here. So I'm going to drag it just like so, and you should be able to see it in here. So I'm just going to go ahead and make it as big as possible. All right, so we have this white line here. So this is where we are going to somehow put the images or the design. So we're going to get ready with the design. So we have here this one. So we're going to go ahead and click the elements. I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller, just like so. I'm going to hit the elements, and yeah, you can go ahead and basically put wherever you want in here. So I'm just going to go ahead and try to look for a picture of nature, and then click photos here. And then I'm just going to click this one as well, because we're going to look for the vertical images, and then I'm going to close it. So I'm gonna try this one right here. So I'm going to go ahead and place it so here, just like so. And then I'm going to go ahead and make it big, make it fit the area. And then for us to easily cut this, you can just go ahead and drag this one right here. But I think it won't be very good because the sun somehow will not be shown. So what we are going to do is adjust this one. We're going to go ahead and move it to the left. So I'm going to do this one real quick. All right, and then I'm going to click this, and we're going to go ahead and do the same thing here. Basically what I did just now is just crop that particular part. All right, so we have the image here, and then you can put title here. Here at the back, I'm just going to go ahead and make this blank, for example. So in order to do that, I'm going to add an element. It is going to be this one right here. And don't worry about the color, we can customize it for later. All right, there you go. And then we have the spine width in here. So you can definitely put something in the spine width. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get that done. Again, we're going to click the elements, and then we're going to click this one right here. And yeah, let's just go ahead and try to write something in here. So say for example, let's go ahead and write our KDP book cover. Say for example, this is the title. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and click the elements. Instead of the elements, I'm just going to go ahead and change the font. I'm going to click this one right here, and say for example, we're going to use this font. And then for the color, let's go ahead and change this one, somehow fit here. So we're going to click it. I'm going to choose, say for example, this one. All right, so again, you can go ahead and customize this one, but I'm just going to do it for now. Let's go ahead and rotate this one to about 90 degrees. Okay, and then we can go ahead and put it in the middle here. And then we can try to make some adjustments. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit, just like so, and should be the same here. All right, so I can't somehow make it shorter. So I'm going to hit spacing, and then I'm going to adjust the line spacing. I'm going to make it as negative or as small as possible. That way, hopefully we'll be able to change it. Right, seems like we can. So the option that we have is making our text smaller. Okay, and I'm going to put it in the middle. There you go. And then I'm just going to drag this one to the bottom. Yeah, there are a lot of things that you can put here. Again, make sure that you are going to do this one later on. So you can put here, like for example, name of the author, the title of the book, something like that. So I want you to go ahead and be creative in this part. For this part right here, definitely you can make some adjustment as well, like for the colors. So I'm just gonna try to follow some colors from the picture. Let's go ahead and try to see which fits. All right, so I'm just going to use this concept or this theme here. So yep, now you are ready. You can go ahead and write title here. Just go ahead and click the text. But basically that is how you're going to get this done. You can go ahead and click the share button and then download this one as PNG. Or if you want to print it, you also have here PDF print. But yep, that is basically how you're going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video will be able to help you.